Welcome guys. My name is Jordan, aka Chef Jojo. I'm gonna show you guys a rendition of a dish that I keep very close to my heart. Growing up, I used to always smell it in the morning, the aromatics. Today, we're gonna do a plant-based Ackee and Saltfish stuffed festival. All the aromatics, thyme, scotch bonnet, tomatoes, onion, all mixed together. All those flavors gives it a nice, very warm feeling. They release a very strong aroma that is very pleasant to the nose. So here we go. Once you have your ackee cooked off and strained, we're gonna have it cooled off and put to the side. Now we're gonna introduce a mirepoix. So mirepoix consists of onions, carrots, and celery. But with carribeans, we like to use tomatoes, green onions, thyme, and garlic. You wanna make sure those ingredients are nicely clean so you don't contaminate your cutting board or the greens itself. Our onions, we're gonna nice medium dice on that. Now we're gonna grab our green onions, separate our whites from our green. The whites we're gonna introduce to the mixture. The greens will also give it a nice pop to the filling. Scotch bonnets are always a good introduction to a dish. They always give it a nice spicy kick. Now, let's get into the bamboo shoots. The bamboo shoots I decided to use to simulate saltfish, so I cured it in toasted nori with salt for 24 hours to infuse those ocean flavors. Once the bamboo shoots have cured, quick rinse, chop, and now that our ingredients are all ready to go, let's start cooking. Saute the mirepoix, release the oils and the nice aromatics. We're gonna add in our thyme, our nori salt, just to get those lovely seasonings into the pot and get the room filled up with the nice flavors. Next, we're gonna slowly add in our bamboo shoots. Bamboo shoots, you gotta remember, are very, very delicate. So you gotta be careful on how often or how hard you stir them. Next, add in your ackee and slowly fold in off the heat. Next, we're gonna get into our festival. Festival consists of flour, cornmeal, sugar, salt, and you can't forget our leavening agent, which is baking powder. Without it, it won't rise. So next, once we have dry ingredients combined, we're gonna slowly incorporate our water and stir in with a utensil. Once the dough has slowly started to come together, we're gonna put it on a cutting board and knead. Don't forget to get your elbows into it now. Also, don't over knead. Once over kneading, it will cause a tough dough. Once your dough has come together, put it into a log and get ready for portioning. I decided to go a little bit big on portioning this time, just to give it more of an entree feel. Once you have your dough rolled out, the exact same size as your palm, we're gonna put them to the side and get ready for filling. Once our filling has cooled down, we're gonna grab roughly a tablespoon of filling, put it in the middle of our dough, moisten each side with water, and give it a crimp. Be careful, you gotta make sure all the edges are crimped properly, because otherwise, while frying, it will open up inside. Man, don't these look good. Wouldn't you wanna take a bite out of them? Wait until they start getting cooked up. But in the meantime, we're gonna get our festivals ready to go, set in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes before frying. Now that we have our oil ready to go, set at 350 degrees, we're gonna start frying off our festivals. Look at that, perfect. Golden brown, plant-based Ackee and Saltfish stuffed festivals. Who wouldn't want one of these? I know you do. Please don't forget to let me know how you guys enjoy them in the comments. Like, share with your friends, and subscribe. Yet again, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Keep it so sonné.